Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you all the tools and products you need to start doing pedicure at home, whether you're a beginner or just want to take better care of your feet. These are the tools you will use to prepare your toenails before you start your pedicure. Firstly, we have a nail clipper. We use this to trim your toenails to your desired length. Secondly, we have a cuticle pusher we use to gently push back the cuticle to make your nails look neat and clean. And number 3, we got cuticle nipper or cuticle cutter or trimmer. It helps remove dead skin or excess cuticle around the nail edges. Number 4, we got a nail file. It smooths and shapes the edges of your toenails after clipping. Number 5, we got acetone, or you can use a nail cleanser. It's used to wipe the nails clean and remove any oil or dust before applying the product. Number 6, we got nail prep and primer. This helps your gel polish stick better and last longer by removing moisture and creating a smooth base. And now we move into nail tools for polishing. These are used if you decide to apply gel polish. Firstly, we have the LED or UV lamp. This cures or hardens the gel polish so it doesn't smudge. And number 2, I got toe separators. I have 2 types of this. You can use either one of it. So this keeps your toes apart so you can polish neatly without touching other nails. Number 3, we got a base coat. Is the first layer we apply that helps your gel polish adhere and protect your natural nails. And number 4, you can get your favorite gel polish. Me, I'm using a Blingo and this is my favorite. So you can get your favorite. This is just to make your toenails look beautiful. And number 5, we got a top coat. Is the final layer that we apply that seals everything in and gives a closy, long-lasting finish. Now we move into soak and cleaning tools. This helps soften, clean, and smooth your feet before moisturizing. And number 1, we got a foot bowl. It is used to soak your feet in warm water for relaxation and to soften dead skin. And number 2, we have salt. We add this to the warm water to help cleanse, refresh, and relax tired feet. Number 3, we got pumice stone, footworks. This gently removes rough or dry skin, especially on the heels. Number 4, we got nail brush. This cleans dirt and products from under and around the nails. And now we move into the moisturizing products. These are used at the end of your pedicure to nourish and soften your feet. Number 1, we got cuticle oil. This keeps the cuticle healthy and prevents them from drying out. Number 2, we have a lotion, or you can have a foot cream. This moisturizes the skin, leaving your feet soft and smooth. Now we move into the optional extras. These tools makes the process easier or help with the product removal. And number 1, we got magic remover. This helps dissolve gel polish quickly without using acetone. So basically what you have to do with this is you just Gently file off the top coat and then apply this like you're applying a gel polish, and wait for 3 to 5 minutes, and then it will start bubble up, and then after you just scrub it out using the flat side of the cuticle pusher. Number 2, we got footstool. This gives you comfort and better positioning while working on your feet, and you can adjust it to your desired height. And number 3, we got nail drill. This speed up the removal of gel polish and helps with smoothing thick nails or calluses. And this is it for today's video. If you have any questions, just comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and put the notification bell on so that you won't miss any of my future uploads. Bye bye.